Okay, so now we're ready for assignment 1, now that we've finished the other part. And I'm in Windows Explorer here. I could have done this by using that desktop functionality within HTML-kit, but I like it doing it here. I'm in my G drive right now. This is the stuff I already have. I have a couple of resources, pictures that I'm going to be using on the web pages. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder for my website, and I'm going to call that assignment 1. Okay, and then I'm going to go into that, and I'm going to create another new folder, and I'm going to call that images. Okay. All right, so if I go into my assignment 1, there's images, there's assignment 1. I'm going to go ahead and take classroom and hold down my control key and select my 2 pictures, and I'm going to drag them into my images folder. So now I have my assignment 1 inside here. If I go inside my assignment 1, I have images. Inside images, I have those 2 pictures that I'm going to be using on my website. Excellent. So now we have our resources. The next thing we have to do is figure out what it is we're going to be doing for this assignment. And here are the instructions. So we're going to create 3 pages, and we're going to link them all together. Now we could create this page first, the main page, but it doesn't make any sense because we're going to be what links from these pages to that one. So why not create these first? Easiest one, of course, is courses.html. And since I have this stuff here already, I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and then I'm going to open up HTML-kit, and I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to paste in what I just copied, and you can see we have now 2 title tags, so I don't need that. So I'm going to cut this one out and replace this one up here. Okay, we have our standard heading, which I keep on in Notepad, that I'm going to put into the title so that my page looks pretty. And if I want to take a look at this, this is what it looks like so far. And actually, whoa, it looks so good that I'm ready to go. Okay, that's all I needed to do. Of course, you can't copy and paste that. You're going to be typing. And I just simply put the OL tag on there. Line 1 is CPT 220. Close the line, start the line, and then I'll save this. So when I hit the save button, I'm not going to put it in my site. I need to put it into assignment 1. All the pages will be in this one folder. And I will call this courses.html. Save, and I'm done. Alright, so let me go ahead and close that and create my next page. Okay, I'll go into the assignment, and the assignment says it wants this. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and go back. Oops, wrong one. And then go back and paste it in. And again, I have 2 title tags, so I'll cut this one, paste it here. I will go into Notepad and copy my standard style. Later on, we're going to learn how to put a link in there so we don't have to keep copying and pasting all that stuff. I'll take a look at what I have, and this is what I have so far. Pictures of my life, my family, so I need to put a picture here, and it'll put a picture there. And so let's go ahead and do that. So for my family, I'm going to have to put a picture here in this block right here. So if I take a look at what's in my images folder, you can see that I have a family one. So I'm going to go ahead and tap this once, tap this twice, copy this, and remember copy and pasting our friend. our friends so that we want to, whoops, wrong one again. Now I want to go back to HTML kit, and I'm going to use my whoops, not there, my IMG. I want to hit the space bar. It puts in the src and quotes. Then I paste in the file name. I'll put my there. I'll put in some bad English, me and my family. And then I'll test this to see if it works. And it does not work. So why does it work? Oh, well, that's because, remember, it's in our images folder. So what we have to do is we have to tell it images slash, so it knows to go into that images folder and find that file. Now let's take a look at it. Oops. Okay, and that is not good. So let's take a look at the folder. And copy. Make sure this is the problem. Oh, so why isn't this working? And I'm wondering, and that's because we haven't saved the file yet. This is one place where we have to save a file because we're telling it relative to here, that's where our picture file is. So I did it on purpose, just so you would see how that works. So let's go ahead and save the file, and we're going to be calling this one, I can't remember what I want to call it. Oh, yeah. Pictures. Yeah, that makes sense. So this is going to be pictures.html, and I'll save it. Now, when I preview it, there's it is. So that's why it didn't work before. It was okay. It was just that it couldn't figure out where the images folder was until I saved my pictures. And there's my pages of my life. Okay, so let's go back and get the second one. I'm going to go into my file manager again. This is my work. So I'm going to copy this file name. And then I'm going to go back to HTML kit. And I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to put image IMG. And then I'm going to paste in the file name. Alternate is, again, bad English, me in the classroom. And remember, in front of this, we're going to have to use images slash courses. That's not right. It's not courses. What? Come on. Okay, we want to go into images and then copy this. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Alright, so yeah, it's a web page, not a picture. Okay, so classroom.jpg, and now if I preview it, boom, there it is. I'm already almost 9 minutes in. Jeez. Alright, so I'm going to save this. And this is where we'll go ahead and start in part 2 of this video.